back here working on this again. Let me get spun around here. And this is all stuff that, I mentioned this in a video before, but this was on a driving range fence that we redid a bunch of, took it all down. They were going to scrap it, and I decided to use it. So far, I really don't have anything invested in all the framing material. And I'm attaching these posts. I'll decide what I'm going to run around the front just to keep young ones from falling off of it. And it'll have the cedar floor. And I'm probably going to use up some black fence paint that I have from our other property and just paint all this framework black with it. And it's a nice day to be able to get something done. So I wish I had a tripod to set up and I could film more for you all. But back to work for now. Okay, time to get back to work on the deck. I went and got some paint just to make everything one even color. There we go. There's some better light. Yeah, because all this wood that I'm using is all just reclaimed, so I'm just gonna shoot it with the Wagner Power Painter, get it all one color with an exterior grade paint, and go from there. So this is what we have right now. I got a couple of boards that had a twist in them. They've been sitting on those clamps for several days, and I'll run some screws to them shortly. But getting ready to get this all one color, and then there's the first part of my cedar boards over there. I'm hoping my grandsons will be out tomorrow to help with this a little bit. All right, so there's everything painted that, I forget what the color was. Almost looks like it has some blue in it, but it was supposed to be a gray. The landscape timbers are there. I'm just gonna use them up. I have them sitting around. I'll stand them up on end. Just gonna give the cedar more support. So time to let that dry and clean up my paint gun. This is a countersink bit that drills a pilot hole and has that bevel so that the screws sit down inside, and this cedar, it'll split really easy if I don't use it. So as you can see, it cuts a little bevel for the head of the screw to sit in. So it sits the screw really nice and flush and no splitting of the cedar. Kind of hard to tell how it's coming along with all the shadows, but it's progress. I'm about halfway done. I'm gonna move this around. If you've seen my video about the bentonite in my pond, it's been super dry, but not dry enough to drop my pond down that low. So what that does tell me is that the leak is more along the bottom or the water's edge that it's at now, but it's still going down a little, so it's got to be in the bottom of the pond. And I've got 150 pounds of bentonite left, so I will probably broadcast that out there in just a little while. And also on my deck, it's about halfway done. And when we built Kim's mom's tiny house, I had told Kim I don't enjoy building stuff that much anymore. Yeah, this thing here, I know I haven't given it my best effort, but I really don't care. I do want to enjoy it, but I'm just bored with building stuff. And I don't mind sharing that. I have other interests, as you all know. But it's a really nice day. I mean, I am glad I'm out here doing it, and I will enjoy it once it's finished. But I just don't enjoy the process the way I used to. So with that being said, I've got more cedar over here on the tractor, and it's a nice day. It's overcast, the humidity's low, so I'm gonna make some more progress on this, and I'll get back to y'all in just a little while. All right, I managed to get all the cedar down today. I'm glad I'm done with that and all the up and down, and got the post cut off. Got to decide what I'm going to do for sure there, and also come across here. I need to set a post and build steps on the opposite side as well. But that's it for today. To be continued.